Hey everyone, David here, and welcome to my 5-minute profit pages review. Now, inside of this review, I'm going to go ahead and show you inside of the members area, explain to you why I purchased this and why I think it could really help you out in your online business, especially when it comes to converting sales online. So, in a nutshell, what 5-minute profit pages is, it's a software that allows you to create these discount pages in order to increase your conversion rate on anything that you're selling. So just to give an example of how you could use this is you could actually use it in your Twitter bio or maybe in your Instagram bio, and it would pre-sell whatever you're selling, whether that be an affiliate product or maybe your own product. This is going to allow you to get anybody who clicks on that link in the mindset to claim a discount and to really buy your product. So let's go ahead now, and I'm going to show you inside the members area real quick. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you some custom bonuses that I put together inside of a high quality bonus package for anyone who decides to pick up 5-minute profit pages from the link down below this video. So let's go ahead and get into that right now. So here is the members area and the dashboard of 5-minute profit pages. As you can see, it's really simple and it's really easy to use. And I'm actually going to go ahead and give you a full demonstration of this software and how it can help you in your business inside of this video. But just real quick, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the dashboard and the members area. So you have your campaign section where all of your pages are going to be stored. So this is where all of your different sales pages that this software automatically creates for you. This is where they're all going to be listed, so you can just quickly grab the link or view them, and then you can stick that link, say, in one of your social media bios and start getting sales from them. Also, you have the Start Here section. This is just going to be where you can learn about the software. They have a demo, and then you can also get affiliate links, which we'll talk about really soon. After that, you have the Create New section. This is where you actually create your campaign. So you're going to be creating these discount pages in this section. And then you have the product page. So this product page is where you can actually get automatic approval for all of these affiliate products. So you automatically get your affiliate link approved and you don't even have to buy the product, which is really cool because this comes packaged in to 5-minute profit pages. And we're going to get into detail about all of this stuff. But first, let me go ahead and just show you the sales page so you can see what you can expect from this sales page. So in order to get to the sales page for 5-minute profit pages, all you have to do is click on the link down below this video. And actually, it is my affiliate link, and I have been able to get a $5 discount. So that's included inside that link. So automatically, when you click that link, you're going to get that $5 discount off of 5-minute profit pages. So if you scroll down, you can take a look at the sales page. It's really well put together. You can take a look at exactly what's going to be offered inside of this, but you really don't have to read a whole lot about the sales page because I'm going to have you covered inside of this video, teaching you everything you need to know about the software and why I like it and why I think it can really help making selling a lot easier online. So this is a sales page. You can come over by clicking on the link and you can check it out. All the details are right here. Now let's go ahead and talk about bonuses real fast. So this is my bonus page. And if you scroll down, you'll see that I have a bunch of information about 5-minute profit pages, and it will tell you exactly, what it is. So it basically creates discount pages so that you can sell affiliate products or your own products a lot easier and start converting people who are on the fence, getting ready to buy your products. So I also have how much it costs, which we'll get into really, really soon. And then if you scroll down, you'll see all the bonuses that I have included for free. So in order to get these bonuses from me, all you have to do is just pick up this product, and all these bonuses are actually included for free, and you can access them through your Warrior Plus dashboard. So let me go ahead and show you real quick how you can access all of these bonuses. So inside of Warrior Plus is the dashboard. If you go over to your name up here and you click on purchase history, this is going to take you to all the products that you purchased. And as you can see, I have purchased 5-minute profit pages, but let me just go ahead and click on one of these. And as you can see here, access affiliate bonus. This is where my bonuses will be for you to access if you decide to pick up 5-minute profit pages from me. Now let's go ahead and jump back in and talk about these bonuses. So bonus number 1, I'm giving you a 5-minute profit pages training on how exactly I'm using this and how exactly I plan to implement this into my business to get the most amount of sales from this software. So you're getting a step-by-step guided training from me that I've put together so that you can have full knowledge of how to use this software. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing on Twitter. I'm going to teach you what is called value-based selling. So value-based selling is how I was able to make over $5,000 in a few months on Twitter with both affiliate marketing and selling my own products. And I'm teaching you how to do that inside of this bonus. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to teach you how to use Gumroad affiliates to make sales for people who have products on Gumroad. So it's all about Gumroad affiliate marketing. I'm going to teach you how to market those products, how to find those products, how to get your affiliate link, and how to get rolling with Gumroad promotions, which you can use effortlessly inside of this discount software. Bonus number 4, I'm going to teach you my highest converting tweets on Twitter. So these are my sales tweets, my affiliate tweets, everything that I use to sell on Twitter. I'm going to give you a breakdown and case studies of those tweets so that you know how to sell properly on Twitter to get the best results. So that's bonus number 4. And then lastly, bonus number 5 is I'm going to teach you how to get instant affiliate approval for any product that you want to promote on the Warrior Plus dashboard. So if I go back to the dashboard, you can see all of these top products. I will show you how to get immediate approval for all of those products inside of bonus number 5. So those are my bonuses, and those are included for free with the purchase of 5-minute profit pages. Now let's go ahead and jump back in to the dashboard. I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration of this software and how it works. So first off, what we want to do is we want to go to manage your we want to go to actually create new, because we're going to create a new campaign. So first off, you just decide what style that you would like. I'm going to go with the black. I just think that looks the best. It looks most professional. And then you're just going to go ahead and type in a campaign. So I'm going to call this test number 2. And then you add in your headline. So as you can see here, it says they give you a suggestion. It says activate your 60% discount now. I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and use that right there. And that's fine right there. Okay, now affiliate link. So if you are promoting with Warrior Plus, your affiliate links are going to be stored in the products that you are actually promoting. So say that I want to go to my affiliate offers, and then I can find products that I've actually been approved for, and I can get my link right here by clicking on those links. You'll just copy that affiliate link, and then you would drop it inside of this box right here. So just for fun, I'm just going to use this link right here, which actually takes the person to one of my own products. So it's affiliate equation. I'll just show you the link real fast. And it's going to take them to this page. So I put that inside of the affiliate link box. And then what you want to do is you want to name your button text. Now, what I recommend doing here is just saying something along the lines of click here to claim your discount. Keep it really simple. You don't want to confuse anybody who is landing on these discount pages. Lastly, you want the product box URL. Now, what this is exactly is, let's just use this for example. So you go to the sales page of whatever product that you're promoting, whether that be on Gumroad, whether that be on Warrior Plus or anything like that. And then you go down and you find what is called the product box. See if I can find one here. Here it is. And then all I do is I just right click on it so that I can save the image, or I can go ahead and copy image address. And that's exactly what I want to do. Scroll down here and I'm going to paste that inside of the product box URL. So that's going to populate that image address inside of our page. You can also just download it and upload it, but I prefer using the link. Now we're just going to hit save and publish, and it's super easy. And now we can take a look at what our page looks like. So here we go. Activate your 60% discount now. It has the product box URL, and it also has scarcity in here. So you can program this to say, discount expires in this amount of time. Click here to claim your discount. So this also increases your conversion rate because it adds a level of scarcity to make people buy from you. So that's why I really love this software. It's super easy. It creates pages for you automatically, and it really helps converting people who are looking at your offers into people who actually buy those offers. Now, one last thing I want to do here is I want to go ahead and go back to my bonus page, and I want to talk about the pricing and the structure of 5-minute profit pages. So 5-minute profit pages is going to cost you $13.11. And with that $13.11, you also get all of these bonuses for free. So these don't cost you anything else. These are just bonuses I added to help out, your journey in using 5-minute profit pages. I also have included a $5 discount. So usually this is $18.11, but it has a $5 discount automatically included in the link that I got from the product creator. Now there are going to be what are called upsells. So after you buy the product, you're going to run into a page that looks kind of like this. This is going to be what is called an upsell page. So it just means what it does is it takes the product that you have and then it unlocks it to have the full potential. So you have unlimited campaigns, unlimited commissions, and tons of more pro features so that you can customize your sales pages. So that's going to cost you $37 to get the platinum edition of what you already get for $13.11. I do recommend upgrading to the platinum edition if you are going to be taking this seriously and if you want to use discount pages to really make sales on like Twitter or Instagram. I do recommend that upsell number 1. Now upsell number 2 is a $197 upsell, and this is going to teach you how to make $1,000 high-ticket commissions with webinars connected to those pages. So this is actually a really cool strategy. However, it is expensive. So if that's something that you're into, that's $197 and you can look at that. Upsell number 3 is $67, and this is done for you recurring. So these are recurring landing pages, and they basically create them for you, but I don't think this is really necessary, and I don't think that unlimited traffic is really necessary because I'm also helping you out with my bonuses. I'm teaching you how to build these pages so you don't need anybody to do it for you, and I'm also giving you traffic methods with Twitter to teach you how to get traffic to these pages, so you don't need that as well. Last one right here is kind of interesting though. For $167, this is the last upsell in the funnel, and what it is license rights to sell this as your own product. So basically, you get to become the product owner of 5-minute profit pages, and whoever buys through your link, you get 100% commission for everything inside of the funnel. So if you really want to take this and make it your own business, then this is the way to go because you basically own the product. So you can do whatever you want, you can charge whatever you want for it, and you get 100% commission for that. So that's a really cool bonus right there. Now, that's everything that's included with 5-minute profit pages. I do recommend it. It isn't fully fleshed out inside of the basic version, but it will get you by. And if you upgrade to that platinum version, you are going to get more customization and you will be able to take it to the next level. But I also have included all those bonuses inside of this bonus package so that it can really help you in using these discount pages to make sales on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, wherever you want to place these discount pages. So I'm David, and thank you so much for checking out my review of 5-minute profit pages, and I will see you in another video.